These biscuits are perfect. I can't wait to taste these. Good morning, everyone. Today is Biscuit Factory Day.
Best trip ever starts now.
Yay! I am so excited. Biscuits, biscuits! Brush well. Brush, brush, brush. Clean beak. Shoes on. Get ready to walk a lot today.
I look handsome. I look handsome.
Very handsome. Let's pack lunch. Apple, banana, juice, and my favorite sandwiches. And tiny snack for me.
Perfect. Let's pack it all up.
Our adventure starts now!
Markamu and Jenny, are you ready to see the giant biscuit factory? Let's go! Wow! So much food! I'm ready for breakfast!
Let's eat well. We need to travel far.
Yes. Get what you want, Jenny and Markamu. Pancakes, please!
Good choice.
Fruits are healthy.
I like bananas.
Bon appetit, everyone.
Today we will learn how biscuits are made. Do factories make many biscuits?
Thousands every day.
A mountain of biscuits?
Orange juice or apple juice?
Orange juice, please! Great choice, Jenny. Apple juice for me.
Cheers to Biscuit Day.
Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
Ready to go, everyone?
Yes, let's get in.
Allow me, sir.
Yay, adventure time! Hey, adventure!
Look! Big buildings!
And tiny cars.
It's huge!
Welcome to Biscuit World!
Welcome to Biscuit World. It looks amazing.
Wow, what a place.
Smells yummy already. Welcome to the Biscuit Factory. Can we make biscuits too? Yes, you can help today. Clean hands are important.
Wash, wash, wash.
What do we need first? Flour. Exactly. Let's see what else we have. Sugar, eggs, and butter. Yay! Now we add flour into the bowl. The flour looks soft and white. It looks like a fluffy cloud. Next is sugar. Sugar makes biscuits sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet.
Butter helps make biscuits soft.
Soft biscuits are yummy.
Butter is important. Crack carefully.
I can do it. Done. Good job.
Now add milk.
Milk makes dough smooth. Faster, faster.
Nice teamwork!
Roll the dough flat. Rolling is fun!
Star cookie. Heart cookie.
Moon cookie too.
Place cookies carefully. All done! The biscuits will be ready in 40 minutes. I can't wait to eat these yummy biscuits.
Patience is important.
Waiting is hard.
Come on, let's stick together.
Who's ready for yummy biscuits?
They smell
Fresh
amazing.
biscuits.
Would your family like to help pick fresh fruit for the biscuit cream? Yes, please. That sounds fun. We would love to help.
A fruit adventure begins.
Fruit mission.
Pick the strawberries that are bright red and ripe.
These strawberries are so shiny and red. Pick gently so the fruit stays fresh.
This tiny strawberry for tiny chicken.
Now let's pick blueberries. Blueberries are small and blue. Wow, Jenny, the basket is full.
They smell fresh too. They taste yummy too.
Raspberries are soft, so be careful. I will pick slowly. So soft and yummy. You're doing great, sweetie.
This is the best harvest yet.
Look, the basket is full.
That is a beautiful basket of fruit.
Great teamwork, everyone.
Fruit mission complete.
Always wash fruit before using it. Clean fruit is important.
Very correct.
Fruits are clean now.
Now we blend strawberries into cream.
It turned out so pink and pretty.
Blueberries make blue cream. Now we have two colors.
Wow, look at that purple-blue swirl.
It's magical. Pink
Pink and blue will look lovely together.
Blueberry cream is my favorite.
Okay, team, let's decorate these cookies. I'll make pink hearts.
And I'll do blue stars.
Perfect, add lots of sprinkles. Tweet, so pretty. Yay, all done. Look at all these cookies. Wow, so many shapes, hearts and stars.
And moons too. So cool.
Now we have raspberry jam. This smells incredible. These biscuits are perfect. I can't wait to taste these. Crunchy outside and soft inside. Perfect texture.
These are delicious. You all did wonderful work today.
Best biscuit ever.
Today was a wonderful family adventure. Thank you.
We learned how biscuits are made from start to finish.
My favorite part was decorating the biscuits. What was your favorite part, Markamu?
Eating biscuits.
That sounds about right.